Where are you people? Hi there guys and girls. Good evening to every one of you. How are you all doing? I'm gonna watch a movie for tonight. I have all the time in the world and all the money at my expense. Time permits me to watch a movie. I'm gonna watch May Isang Himala. Ano? What's that? Isang Himala. Hi! Isang Himala. Ay, this is so sorry. I'm gonna give this to her. Hold on, before I forgot, thank you Lord for the wonderful blessings that you give, for all the trials and challenges that answer. Shout out to all my first viewers who never get tired, all my masterpieces. Thank you so much to each every one of you. Hold on. Eye level. J. Anyway, sige. This one. Oo. Yeah. 400? It's not 380? Can I ask for discount? I'm sorry.
May card kasi.
No, wala. Card of what?
Dito ko ulit kasi senior ka na sir. May discount.
Hold on. 400. Hold on, guys. So we still have how many more minutes? 6 minutes. Ano? 6 minutes. Okay, thank you to every one of you, as I was saying, and to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Abordo, and to all my lovely countries. You know what? They are coming back on my channel. Philippines, of course, on the number one. United States, Canada, United Arab Emirates, Brazil. Brazil came back again. Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, South Korea, United Kingdom, and Japan also came back. Hong Kong also came back. Thank you for coming back. Australia, Spain, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Thank you so much to everyone. I'm gonna watch this one, Isang Himala. So this is a musical theme. Based on what I have read on the article, this is some kind of a fantastic movie, and I'm gonna appreciate this one because it's some kind of musical, and there are some screaming something here. I don't know if they are saying the truth, and it's for me to seek for it if it is really the one that they are telling that this is a good one. Anyway, and this is also inspired from the movie of Nora Honor, Isang Himala, with the same title, I think. Anyway, so let's gonna get inside. Here we are. Ay, kuya. Bye for now, guys. Let's get inside. I wasn't able to get my chit-chat. It's not yet. Bye for now.